pumping gamma to cross check that language is regular or not. Suppose we have language 0 to the power n, 1, 0 to the power n, where n is greater than or equals to 1. Then what will be the language? The language can be either 0 1 0 if n is 1, or 0 0 1 0 0, or 0 0 0 1 0 0 0, and so on. So suppose we take n is equals to 7, then the string will be 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. So let x is equals to 0 0, y is equals to 0 1, and z is equals to 0 0 0. Then x y to the power k z is equals to 0 0 0 1 k 0 0 0. If k is equals to 1, then what it will be? 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. That belongs to that language. But if k is equals to 2, then 0 0, instead of this what we will get? 0 0 1 0 1, or 0 0 0. So we can clearly see that this not belongs to that language. So this language is non-regular. Now move to the next. Suppose if we have 0 to the power 1 n, 1 to the power m, 2 to the power n, where n m always greater than or equals to 1. Then what will be the language? The language will be 0 1 2, or 0 0 1 2 2, or 0 1 1 2, or 0 0 1 1 2 2, or 0 0 1 1 1 2 2, or 0 0 0 1 2 2 2, and so on. The language will be like this. So suppose we take n is equals to 7, and the string is equals to 0 0 0 1 2 2 2, and suppose we take x is equals to 0 0, y is equals to 0 1, z is equals to 2 2 2, then x y to the power k z will be equals to 0 0 0 1 k 2 2 2. So if k is equals to 1, then 0 0 0 1 2 2 2 belongs to that language. But if k is equals to 2, then 0 0, and what we will get? 0 1 0 1 2 2 2. That does not belong to that language. From here we can see that it does not belong to that language. So this language is non-regular. Now move to the next. Suppose we have 0 to the power n, 1 to the power m, where n is less than or equals to m. So what will be the language? The language can be 0 1 0 1 1, 0 0 1 1 1, 0 0 1 1, or 0 0 0 1 1 1, or 0 0 0 1 1 1 1, and so on. So suppose we choose n is equals to 8, and so the string will be 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1, and suppose we choose x is equals to 0 0, and y is equals to 0 1, or z is equals to 0 0 1 1 1 1. So x y to the power k z will be equals to 0 0 0 1 k 1 1 1 1. So if k is equals to 1, then language will be 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 belongs to that language. But if k is equals to 2, then what we will get? We will get 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1. That does not belong to that language. That does not belong to that language. So this language is not regular. This language is non